Hi everybody. I am not doing a picture-in-picture with the screencast because I'm in my pajamas. Okay, so that's probably more than you wanted to know. Okay, so listen, as many of you know, really wasn't able to have a lot of opportunity to sort of put my thumbprint on this course, and this is a multimedia course, so I want to provide some flexibility and differentiation in terms of how you go about responding to forums. Morgan had asked me about an option in terms of the constructive activity, and I had said something about I was going to be giving options for forums, and then someone came in and said, "Can I be one of those people?" So yeah, the answer is yes. Everyone can choose an optional way to respond in the forums. Let me show you where those are. So in each week, when you click on the week, it's completely up to you if you have time to fiddle around. What you'll find is right below the forum each week. Now you may have more activities below, but underneath the form you will find what the optional choices this week. So for this week, if you wanted to, you could respond to Meredith and Vivian's questions using Voki. Now Voki is a little tricky as the first choice because it does only record up to 60 seconds, but you're more than welcome to make more than one Voki. This is probably the only tool you would have to make more than one in order to get all of your answer in. So you would still have to follow the rubric. You still need to refer directly to materials. You still have to synthesize and apply your knowledge and answer the questions. The difference would be instead of writing your response, when you go to post in the forum, you would post your public URL, or in the case of Voki, maybe two URLs, as your post. Okay? And again, this is the only one where you might have to make two. So what I suggest is if Voki isn't something that floats your boat, perhaps you go ahead and you look ahead and see what are some of the other options. So for week 4, you guys have already experienced Lionite. So instead of doing your written response, perhaps you decide to answer in a Lionite, and you can actually reference materials and do all sorts of fun stuff there. So these are optional, and there's a different one for each week. So I wanted to expose you to a bunch of different Web 2.0 tools. It is completely up to you if you use them. I just want to make sure that you have the opportunity to, one, learn about some other Web 2.0 tools, multimedia tools out there that really help you communicate, create, show your critical thinking skills, right? As well as two, give you an opportunity to have a differentiate your way to respond in the forum, and finally, three, have fun. I know that I'm sure over a course of semester, writing 13 forum responses can be a bit tedious, so let's put on our creative caps and use these tools. So again, these are optional. You're always welcome to write your response. Perhaps you don't have time that week, but certainly look ahead, see what I have out there, have fun. The rubric will apply exactly the same. I've not had anyone have any problem satisfying the requirements of the forum rubric when they used a Web 2.0 tool. You've just got to think ahead, make sure. Perhaps in some ways it would be easier to do it this way. You never know. But that's what I really just wanted to show you, that in every week you will find an assignment. I also just want to point out that do make sure that you look below the option to make sure you complete any other activities for that week. So just make sure that you do remember that those are down there. So again, remember that your forum posts are due on Sunday. With no exception, please be sure that you're replying to peers on different days. That means not just other than Sunday, that you come in on Friday and reply, and then again on Saturday and reply, or Monday and Tuesday, or Sunday and Monday, whatever it is. But what we're finding is that people are coming in to our learning community and just popping in, posting their post, and then replying to two people, and they're out. And that is not the kind of community I think that we deserve here in this course. So please, please, please be sure that you are a present member of our course, that you're paying attention to those due dates, and now you have a whole new way of answering those forum posts. So have fun, email me or ask Tina if you have any questions or concerns. Take care.